Introduction. Welcome to King Bike. Today, we're taking a look at the Hero HF Deluxe, one of the most popular commuter motorcycles known for its fuel efficiency, reliability, and affordable price. Design and styling. The Hero HF Deluxe features a simple yet attractive design. With stylish graphics, a comfortable seat, and a lightweight body, it is designed for everyday commuting and practical use. Engine and performance. The bike is powered by a 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine that delivers smooth performance and excellent fuel economy. It is ideal for city rides and daily travel, offering a comfortable and hassle-free riding experience. Comfort and features. Hero has equipped the HF Deluxe with a well-cushioned seat, telescopic front suspension, and durable rear shock absorbers. Features like an electric start, alloy wheels, and i3S technology on selected variants add extra convenience. Mileage and efficiency. One of the biggest strengths of the HF Deluxe is its impressive mileage. The bike is designed to maximize fuel efficiency, making it a cost-effective option for daily riders. Conclusion. The Hero HF Deluxe is a dependable commuter motorcycle that combines affordability, comfort, and fuel efficiency. If you're looking for a practical bike for everyday use, the HF Deluxe is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching King Bike. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and updates.